Hello children, I'm Shakuntala teacher and today we are going to study maths, okay? And in maths we are going to take the topic of shapes. Yes, shapes. So the very first shape that we are going to learn about is the round and round and round and round. Yes, you got it correct. It is the circle. Look at this. I am a circle. I am a circle. Round and round. Round and round. I have no sides. I have no sides. Only round. Round and round. I am a circle. I am a circle. Round and round. Round and round. I have no corners. I have no corners. Only round. Round and round. I am a circle. I am a circle. Round and round. Round and round. Hello. So, here I am children. Look at me. I am a circle and I am round and round. Round and round and there is no stopping to it. Do you know children that I can roll this side? I can roll this side. Yes, and come back to the same side. Oh, I can roll down the mountains and I can roll around the slopes. Yes, and see, round is my shape. So let us go and visit some of the things which are round in shape. Alright, so let's see on our wall what do we have? We have a round clock. Round and round and round and round and its hands also go round and round. Oh, the wheels of the car go round and round, round and round. How do they go round? Because their shape is a circle. Yes, so they can go quickly on the road. Yes. Let us see what I have over here. Uh-oh, I have a box, which is again circle in shape. Here it comes. Yes, it is round. And since it is round, it can also roll and roll. Alright. Okay, I just saw I have a jeep. Uh-oh, the military jeep is coming. Pay attention. Oh, and it rolls. Look at these wheels. Round and round and round and round they go down the hill. Round and round, over the mountain, over the fields. Round and round the wheels. Wow, let's see, what do we have? In my house, I have a plate. Look at this. This plate is also round. Yes, it is circle in shape. It is circle in shape. Oh, look here. What have I got? I have got something very interesting. Look at this. What is this? Minnie Mouse. Okay? Round plate. Round, round and round with tiny round circle ears. Round circle ears. We have Minnie Mouse. Lovely. Uh-oh, have you noticed, my dear children? My earrings are also round. My earrings are also round. Your mama's bangles are also round. Mama's bangles are also round. Granny's bindi is also round. Granny's bindi is also round. Round and round, circle in shape. Round and round, circle in shape. And do you know, in your toy house, your Barbie doll's mirror is also round. Round and round, circle in shape. Round and round, circle in shape. So my dear children, I am round in shape and they call me circle. What do they call me? Circle. Yes. Oh. And remember children, these are just a few examples of a circle. Okay. You can draw in your scrapbook many objects which are circle. Okay, your mommy makes chapatis now. That's also a circle. Right. So my dear children, today we learned the shape circle. Okay. I am a circle. I am a circle. Round and round. Round and round. Look how I roll around. Look how I roll back. Look how I roll around. Look how I roll back. Round and round. Round and round. Very well, children. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I have enjoyed it immensely. I hope you share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Be home. Be safe.